On the far west side of Decatur, close to Highway 36, Route 51, and Interstate 72, and in the Sangamon Valley School District, the country life awaits at 5155 West Main Street. On the outside, you'll enjoy the quietness of the dead-end street and the openness and freedom of having over 2 acres of land. You'll have a 20 by 20 barn with a concrete floor and electrical, a 2-car garage, and plenty of beauty in the backyard, including a fenced-in area. The home is surrounded by beautiful trees, giving plenty of privacy. You can also relax on the back patio or the large front porch. Come inside to 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and over 2,400 square feet of living space. This home was built in 1910. It still has some of that charm and old-world craftsmanship, but it also has many updates and upgrades to give you that modern look and feel. The living areas are spacious and beautiful. You will want to see this one in person. For your private tour, contact Nicole Pinkston with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate today.